Welcome guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, like this video and comment below your thoughts, maybe on the ISO you want me to cover next or what you think about this project. So let's talk about Shivom. So Shivom is solving a real world problem, and one of the things I like about this project is they've actually taken the time to go to where the pain is an issue. What do I mean by that? They've reached to the people who have these pains, and then they now know that this is a pain, and then this is what we can this is what can be done to us for us to actually solve this problem. Now if you look many of these projects, most times they just have a fancy paper, and then maybe they do some research on the internet, they just do some Google and all that. No, do on Google is good, but you have to go to the places where this thing is actually a problem, and then talk to these people, and then you can have a very, very good solution. So that is one of the things they've actually done. They travel to India and travel to some of the countries, and then they sat down with patients, they sat down with those who had one disease or the other, and then they discover that if this solution that they are proposing has been there, that something, the disease that these people are suffering would have not actually happened to them. So you'll be asking, okay, what are they seeking to do? One of the things that are seeking to do is that they are saying that when we go to the hospital and your DNA is collected, or any information about your health data is collected from you, now you don't know if the hospitals or these health institutions actually sell this data to other persons. That's one of the things you don't know. So what Shivom is seeking to do, they want to bring a platform here. You as a person, you own your data. You can decide to give it for free. You decide the terms and the conditions for your data. That is one of the things. And they are building a system that is quantum resistant. So that is one of the system is quantum resistant. And then on that thing again, they are building a healthcare marketplace. So a healthcare marketplace where you can actually get personalized medicine. Then they want to act as a connector to other healthcare marketplace or other healthcare providers. That's one of the things again. And then another thing again with this platform is that they will be serving as a network. They will be providing to you a network of counselors, of genetic counselors. Very, very amazing. Now you'll be saying, okay, what are they seeking to do? If you think about Shivom, one of the things you should be thinking about is they want to combine two technologies. They want to combine genomics, and then they want to combine blockchain. That is the amazing thing. So they are actually talking about the issues of data sequencing. Now, the data sequencing can be used in many different applications. So with data sequencing, there could be the issue of with data sequencing, you can predict the emergence of diseases due to DNA. So because DNA is available, and then there is a DNA sequencing that is actually there. Those who study medicine can actually know more than even I can explain. They will be able to tell the patient ahead. Then that patient will be able to know what lifestyle actually fits them if they are not to repeat such or possess such disease and all that. And then another thing again that this platform is seeking to do through the collection of DNA and this DNA sequencing, they want to use these stuff for precision medicine. So what they are saying is that through this DNA they're collecting, this genomics and all that, they will be able to give a person the medicine that is needed, how many pills or what will actually work for different persons, because everybody on the earth is unique. Nobody on the earth, no same, even twins. No two twins have the same DNA. So what they want to use that to give precision medicine. Then another thing again they talk about is pharmacogenetics, something like that. Pharmacogenetics. Now what they are saying, they want to use this data they are actually collecting. They want to bring in systems that could actually prevent medical side effects when they administer this treatment and all that. And then they talk about disease prognosis. And then another thing again that seeking to do it, they want to launch, they're launching foundations now that will help educate people on different opportunities, educate people on the different opportunities that are available, on how valuable is their health data in all the other stuff. And they're bringing a system where maybe each person will be able to access these services for as low as maybe $100. Then you can go through the team, what they seek to do, who is behind the team. So when I went through the team, I saw that the founders, they are people who have maybe some form of knowledge in the space and very, very good platform. And then when I okay, let's say the team and partners. So you can see Sally Edwards. She's a very a lady who knows what she's actually talking about and going from places to places. Gorish, Alex, and you can check the other teams. And then you can see some of the people who are behind them. Some of them have been father, like Dr. J. Sanders, the founder of telemedicine, Dr. Alamio Metina. You see their portfolio. You can Google them and see for yourselves. So they have a very big team. They've gone to the places. They have a very, very unique idea. And I think this is one of the projects that is going to be, it's going to be very, very tremendous in the future. So you want to look into a project like this. However, guys, you want to think that this is just a dude talking about crypto. You want to do your own research before you make any decisions, because it's your money. Then I brought to your notice before in the past Vimana, how Vimana wants to transform the aerospace, how they want to bring in their own how will I put it, their mini flight system like this, and how they want to change the way aerospace is being done, communication and all that. Then another project, I'll not be bringing these ones today. I just want to give you a quick overview. Another project you want to consider is ipWe. It's a project you want to consider. What they are seeking to do, the issues of patents and all that. You want to consider a platform like this. I'll be bringing you full details on that tomorrow. And then Swappy. You want to consider Swappy. So Swappy is one of the projects you want to consider, how they want to offer universal credits to people. So what they are seeking to do is that, okay, people are living in certain countries where the interest rate is high, and then there are other people who are living in countries where the interest rate is low. So what are they going to do? Now, connect those who need this credit in places where the interest rate is low or high or whatsoever, depending on that choice, and then cut off maybe the banks and can actually aid businesses. Tomorrow I'll be giving you a more detailed explanation of that. And then let me see. And then another platform again I'll be bringing to your notice is Creata. So Creata wants to change the card industry, the collectible card gaming industry. It is not an industry. I'm not a person who's the gaming type or that. But if you go through the team, you discover that there are people who have been in this space, and there's a very, very big market for it. And also I'll be bringing you Nexo. So what Nexo is actually seeking to do, though there are certain persons who have been trying to do that, Earthland, Saltland in I think maybe Ripio Credit Network. I don't know of others, but there are other people who are trying to do it. But one of the things about this platform is first, well, we're not talking about it now. So one of the things about this platform is it is, like I put it, like a subsidiary of an existing company in the centralized world that is offering something similar, but not in crypto. So they offer people overdrafts, but now they are coming to the crypto space to actually offer people crypto overdrafts. And tomorrow we'll talk about all that. So guys, maybe you've not actually bought some treasure with all these petty hacks that are actually happening now. You want to consider my link below, and you could get yourself your wallet and ledger wallet, and then maybe you're involved in mining. You can actually check my link and also use my link. Feel free to use that, and I get some benefits from that. You know that you are actually giving me some encouragement. And then maybe you've not really subscribed to my channel, and maybe you've watched some of my videos, or maybe you've not seen some of my videos. You can actually go to some of my videos and see some of the content I've been providing for a while now. And guys, with that, I would appreciate if you actually share my videos with others. So guys, do have a very good thing. Do have a very good day, and bye.